they stop YouTube asking you to verify your account? So first, let's understand why you are facing such issue. So this issue generally occurs because YouTube thinks of your birthday, which is not 18 plus, and you might have kept your birth date while creating your account below 18. So if you are also facing such issue, the first thing what you want to do is just come over to your youtube.com and make sure you're logged into account and click on this YouTube icon over here. That is your profile icon, and always make sure that your restricted mode is turned off. So it basically helps you to hide the potential major videos. So make sure you have disabled it. And another thing which I previously mentioned is if your age is the problem while creating your account, you just have to log out of your current YouTube channel. And once you log out of your current YouTube channel, try to recreate a new YouTube channel with the new date of birth, which is more than 18 years old, and try watching videos from that YouTube channel, and your issue should be fixed. So that is the only way you can fix this issue. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.